Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you the latest Iqoption method. This is a method that I will show you exclusively to my viewers only. I use 3 indicators and the functions and the role of each indicator will be explained in detail a little bit later. So let's start setting up indicators. First I installed the Coppock Curve indicator. It is very rarely seen in methods. I set the periods to 12, 15 and 12. Main line is blue and baseline is yellow and save. The second indicator is the Parabolic Sar, which is often used in various methods. I leave the period as they are. Let's choose the color to white and keep it. The third indicator is Doji, which I use very rarely in methods. Let's increase the periods and set it to 0.2. Let's also set the flag in large and this type of flag like the next is to set up 15-second candles and set the trading time to 1 minute. And also this method works very well on volatile currency pairs. And let's wait for good moments. Friends, those who are interested, the platform registration link is in the description of the video. Now let's move on to the method. This appears to be a good time to open a position in the upward direction, because here like I'm looking at the blue line of the Coppock Curve, which has started from the extreme low and is approaching its own yellow line. We have to also observe the blue and yellow lines of the Coppock Curve, and it is a much stronger signal when the blue line of the Coppock Curve is crossed by its own yellow line. Also, I think we have to look for white signs of the Parabolic Sar should also give a signal from the bottom to the top. White lines of the Coppock Curve also give a signal, but this is not the only good point of this method. Also, this strategy has another good points which I will try to show you when opening the next positions. And great, I successfully started trading and I think it's great. This is the promised second good point of this method. At this particular moment I observe where the trend is headed and how strong it is, and I determine all these through indicators. First of all, I look at the blue line of the Coppock Curve, which should move only above its own yellow line for a long time. Candles may go down in some cases, but I'm not mistaken through the indicator, and if the blue line moves up for a long time, that means that the trend is steadily upward. Of course, the white signs of the Parabolic Sar should also give us an upward trend from the bottom to the top, and it is happening on the platform now. And great, I'm having the second great win. So this is also the next great moment when the blue line of the Coppock Curve touches its own yellow line and begins a downward trend. The Parabolic Sar signs have also recently started providing a top-down signal. This is a similar situation to the opening of the first position. I think the trend should go even further down. And I think all signals point to this, and it's good that I won, but not so convincingly, because I already told you that I think the trend will go down, and I continue to trade on this currency pair, and that's why I opened the position in the downward direction. I also missed the Doji indicator, which does not have a main role in this method and is a secondary indicator that will strengthen the given signal with its white flag if necessary. If the Coppock curve and parabolic Sar signals are accompanied by a white doji flag on the candle, that signal will be considered a much stronger signal, of course. And I think I'm going to win this trade too. Great! I have successfully closed all positions. Also, friends, regarding to Doji indicator, today I could not show you the function of this particular indicator in more detail, but I will tell you that the color of the candle does not matter. If the candle has a Doji flag next to it, you know that there is a high probability of closing a profitable position. This latest method worked really well for me, and I hope you learned a lot from it. Don't forget to like the video. I wish you a successful trading day, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.